Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to talk a bit on past perfect tense. So in this video we are going to cover 5 different topics regarding past perfect tense. Key points of the past perfect tense definition, usage of past perfect tense, 3 formulas of past perfect tense, and at the last we have a short assignment. So let's get started. Key points. Had is used as a helping verb. Every tense has its own helping verb. If we talk about past tenses, so the past indefinite tense helping verb is did, the past continuous tense helping verb is was and were, and the past perfect tense helping verb is had. Had is used with all subjects like he, she, it, we, you, they, singular names and plural names. Third form of the verb is used as a verb. In all perfect tenses like present perfect tense we use third form, the same past perfect tense we use third form, and future perfect tense we also use third form. So in these 3 perfect tenses we use third form of the verb. Past perfect tense definition. The past perfect tense is also called the pluperfect tense, is used to talk about actions that were completed before some point in the past. It tells us that an event happened in the past before another event in the past. Let's understand it by example. The sentence John had left by the time Catherine got to his house uses the past perfect tense to say that John left his house before Catherine arrived. Means John just left that house before Catherine arrived, and both of these actions happened in the past. Both actions happened in the past. Either John left the house and Catherine arrived, so both actions happened in the past. But one of them happened before the past, means a slight difference is there. First usage of past perfect tense. Past perfect tense is used when you are expressing a condition and a result. It's also like conditional sentences. If I had woken up early this morning, I would have presented my presentation. If I had assisted you, I would have felt player. Usage 2. Past perfect tense is when stating information that was said or reported by someone. Means someone reports like, Nick told me that Martha had visited him this morning. Means who is reporting me? Nick. And she said I had taken a wrong turn. Who said? She. Now that may be Catherine, that may be any girl. The same, the third one, like they claimed the cat had broken the vase. Who claimed? They claimed. Usage 3rd. The past perfect tense expresses action in the past before another action. This is the past in the past. Like, the train left at 9 a.m. and we arrived at 9 a.m. When we arrived, the train had left. So this is perfect sentence. When we arrived, the train had left. She had just left the room when the police arrived. I had just put the washing out when it started to rain. Contractions with the past perfect tense, like I had. So there should be contraction. But contractions are not used in formal writing. We especially use it in informal writing. You had, and he had, she had, it had, we had, and the last we have they had. And it's also like they, like would have, would, we also use the same like I would. So it will be like this. Again we just use D at the last. Simple formula of past perfect tense. Subject, had, that form of the verb plus object. Had is helping verb. Like I had jumped from the wall. I is what? Subject. Had is helping verb. Jumped is third form of the verb because we are talking about past perfect tense. So we have to use third form of the verb. And the wall is what? From the wall is object. She had met him. She is what? Subject. Had is again helping verb. Third form of the verb is met. And at the last we have him, that's object. You had earned money. Negative formula. When we talk about negative, so we have to use not. Subject had plus not plus third form of the verb plus object. Like I had not jumped from the wall. I is what subject, had is helping verb, and not is obviously we are talking about negative, so we have to use not. Jumped is third form of the verb, from the wall is object. She had not eaten pizza. You had not worked hard for the test. Interrogative formula. Had plus subject plus third form of the verb, and if we talk about interrogative, so we have to use first had, means helping verb should be at the start, and at the last we have object, then question mark. Had you worked hard, means had is what, helping verb, and that's why we are using at the start, because we are talking about interrogative formula. Had you worked hard, had is subject, had is helping verb, then subject, then third form of the verb, then at the last we have question mark. Had they insulted him? Had we participated in the function? Note, now it's quiz for you all. It's one kind of assignment for you. Try to use these 5 words in your sentences and comment below. I will check it. Enjoyed, hesitate, eaten, and supported, and the last we have protected. So I hope this video has been helpful.